Okay, so welcome everyone. Welcome. So this is day 7. Okay, we are going to see the decision making. Okay, this is a free JavaScript class from NSA IT-POINT. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is the decision making? Simple, simple. What is the decision making in programming? What is the decision making in programming? Anyone on chat? Anyone? If you want to unmute, you can unmute. Okay, I'll give you permission. Okay, yeah.
If else.
Yeah, it fails in programming in general language. In general, what is the decision making in general?
कि अगर ये हुआ तो मैं ये करूँगा, अदरवाइज मैं ये वर्क टास्क कम
Okay,
परफॉर्म करूँगा.
it's general. Correct. Yes or no or either or. Okay. जैसे मैं है ना कोई एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल एग्जांपल लेते हैं. किसी के पास कोई एग्जांपल है कि मैं पेट्रोल पंप जाऊंगा, गैस स्टेशन जाऊंगा, है ना. I'll go to the petrol pump and refuel the fuel. If it's like वहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा गर्दी है, there are long queue, so I'll go to the next or other anything. Okay. Okay, I'll go to the next fuel station or other petrol pump. Okay, there is a lot of. Okay, हम शॉपिंग के लिए जाए या फिर यहाँ अगर हमें शर्ट मिला तो ठीक, नहीं तो हम दूसरे दूसरे जगह से ले लेंगे. आइदर और. ओके, और रियल लाइफ में जैसे काफी सारे एग्जांपल है ना, तो हम प्रोग्रामिंग में देखते हैं. ठीक है, ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए. ठीक है,
Yes, I
तो है
want
लाइक
to.
वोटिंग लेस देन 18 years you can't vote. Okay, like in for the marriage. Okay, there is a conditions. Okay, so decision making, it's simply depends on the condition, based on the condition. Okay, it's on second line number 2, line number 2. Okay, everyone properly able to read line number 2. Okay, decision making, decision like based on condition, based on condition. In programming takes different path. In programming takes different path. Like someone just mentioned, like if you are not 18, you can't vote. So simply, it's in programming language we just create a decision making system. Decision making system is like, if its user is 18, then allow him to vote, or if it's not, so don't allow. Okay, simple. I'm just going to simply think. Okay, just let me clear everything. Okay, clear out, right. Okay, we have some more. We have common structure. If, sorry, we have common structure: if, else, if else, and nested if else. Okay, let's see one by one what it is, how it's work. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, it's not that much complicated. You might be feel some difficulties to understand and everything, but just go with the flow. Okay, just try to write code, you will get it. Okay, okay, okay. So if else. Okay, so let's start with the if else. Okay, in if else is a syntax. Here is a syntax. What it is? It's a syntax. What does syntax mean? What is syntax means? We already learned what is syntax means. What is syntax means? Syntax means in general language, grammar, grammar, grammar.
Grammatical representation.
Yeah, perfect. It's a like in real language we can say grammar in English, and in language it's syntax. Okay, it should be as it is. It should be in this form. It should be in this form. Okay, 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 okay. Grammar vocabulary correct, Akash. Okay, okay. So here we can see if condition. If. Okay, we can see if, and opening and closing square. Sorry, circular bracket. Opening and closing circular bracket. Okay, sorry. Okay, opening and closing circular bracket. Okay, and then opening and closing curly bracket. Okay, opening and closing curly bracket. Let's see. Let's just jump into a code. Okay, let's just jump into a code. Okay, just give me share your screen. Okay. Everyone able to see screen? Everyone. Okay, let's just close everything. And file. Let's create a folder. Sorry, let's just create a folder. Day 7. Okay, so let's collapse this one. Okay, what we create first? Index.html, index.html, boilerplate, experimentary. Okay, then we create a file for the JavaScript. Okay, if statement, if statement. Okay, okay, okay. For understanding, I write this right up. It's not a proper way. Okay, I'll just writing for the understanding. Okay, it's not a proper way to write. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see console.log log. Welcome to conditional statement. Okay, okay. Let's just connect our file script. Okay, src and file name dot slash. Okay, okay. Then we will in Explorer. Okay, we will Explorer. We will in Explorer. Just double click. Okay, just double click. Open. It will. Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Are you able to see? Yes, let me create this one. WBC. Okay, then inspect, then inspect, and also. Okay, welcome to conditional statement. Okay, able to see properly? Able to see everyone? 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 Just give me confirmation. Able to see? Okay, okay. Let's just create console itself. If TI, it's if condition. Okay, just create and just create it. Okay, just create it. Okay, so what will our first program? Okay, if condition and if syntax. Syntax. Okay, just a second. Okay, syntax. What is the syntax? If, if it's a result keyword, if, then opening circular closing bracket, then, then curly opening and closing bracket and semicolon. Okay, this is a syntax. This is a syntax for the. This is a syntax for the if. This is a syntax for the condition. Okay, it's a condition. Okay, what it might be anything. Okay, it's a condition. It's a syntax. It's a simple syntax. Let's just copy and paste. Okay, 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 okay. Condition. What should be condition? What should be condition? Condition always should be written boolean. Condition it should be always written boolean. Whatever your condition writing, it should be written always boolean. It should be always written boolean. Okay, okay, okay. It should be always written boolean. Okay, like if I write like name. Sorry, if I write what should I can write true and or false. Okay, true or false. So in computer language, there is a one thing, on off, true false and 0 1. It is similar like true equals to on equals to 1. Is it, is it correct, is it correct? Or false, false equals to off equals to 0. Is it correct, is it correct, is it correct? Yes, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct. It's correct. True equals to 1 and false equals to 0, because our machine code only understands zeros and 1. Correct? Correct? Our machine code understand only zeros and ones. So true equals to 1 and false equals to 0. Let's see, once just start. Once just let's see. If I write condition true, okay, if my condition is true, then let's check what's inside. Okay, let's condition true console.log. Console.log. Okay, inside condition is in, inside if statement. Okay, if statement. Let's just try to please mute yourself. Just mute all of you. Okay, okay, just clear here and reload. Okay, inside if statement. Inside if statement. Let's just try once. Let's just try once. Let's just try once. If I write false, false, false. Okay, let's just try false. Okay. Save the file and come to the browser and reload. Okay, you can't see anything. You can't see anything. Okay, let's reload, reload. Because we are not inside the if statement. Okay, first condition is false. First condition is false. First condition is false. Okay, simply. Let's see if like let age. Okay, someone just age is 18. Sorry, age is 17. Let's age is 17, and I just copy. And yesterday we learn arithmetic and logical operations. So we just add age is age is greater than equals to 18. What does it mean? Greater than equals to 18. It should be at 18 and also include greater than 18 and also include 18. Greater than 18 and also include 18. Okay? 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 Any confusion? Allow for voting. Eligible, okay? Eligible for vote. Okay? And India. In India. Let's see, is this person eligible or not? Let's see. Control save. I just save the file, then go to the browser and just reload. Is it eligible? Is it eligible? No, no, we can't see. So just change its age. Let's just change its age is 90. Let's say 20. Okay. Let's say 18. Let's say 18. Only 18. Okay. Okay. If I don't write this one, okay. If I don't write this one equals, I just write age greater than 18. Age is greater than 18. Age is greater than 18. Okay. Age is greater than 18. Is it true? Is it true? Is it true here? In chat. In chat. Is it true here? Is it true here? No, 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 because it's just check till 17. It will check till 17. So I need to make this one for the 17 either. Okay, or 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 I just need to add the equals to. Okay, so that's why this condition comes. Okay, that's why its condition comes in present. That's why this condition comes for not think more about the condition level thing. Okay, it's just handle everything. Okay, 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 okay. So let's just check once, is this person eligible or not. Come here and reload. Okay, eligible vote for India. Okay, okay, okay. If I decorate the message, what it should be? Okay, what it should be age, because 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 age is age is comma age. It should be work. It should be work, right? Share and then report. Okay. Eligible vote age is 18. Age is 18. Okay. 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 Or greater than 17 or 18 plus. Okay. let's just see our second example. If else, like we checking if we checking if, like if what it's if what if then do, what if then do. One, if you wanted to check, like we wanted to print another message, if it's not, then print this one. Like we are just checking here, is it true or false, then printing something. We are checking if it's true or false and then printing something. Okay, okay. But if you want, if it's not work, if it's not true, if it's not run, if this block is get rejected, if this block get rejected, then what else? Then we have another, then we have another else block. Okay, if block. Okay, if block we see. Okay, let's see syntax. If else, if else syntax, if else syntax, you have to memorize this syntaxes. Okay, if syntax simple, opening circular, closing circular, then curly bracket, then semicolon. Okay, okay. So here instead of semicolon we write only else. Okay, we write else, and then opening and closing semicolon. Okay, sorry, circular bracket, so curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket. Condition, condition, condition. Okay, and then else. What will happen? If the condition is satisfied, if the condition is satisfied, this block will run, this block will run. Okay, this block will run. And if it's not, this block will run. If it's not, this block will run. Okay, any confusion, any confusion till here? Any confusion, anyone want to understand? Any confusion on? Okay, okay, no, no. Okay, let's check our similar example, this one. Okay, let's just run this example. Okay, once again. Okay, okay. Okay, let's just check this example. Okay, okay. If it's set in, then else. I'm adding else here. Then console dot log user or citizen, not, not eligible, not eligible. Okay, let's see. Age. So let's add the age. Yes, only. Okay, we can write only here. Yeah, only, or age is less, less than 18. Okay? Less than 18. Okay, okay. Looks good, looks good. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Semicolon. Okay, can you add semicolon here? Can you add semicolon here? Here? No. It will throw you error. It will throw you error. Okay, it will throw you error. Okay, it will throw you error. Can you see one thing? Can you see one thing? Here, when it's throwing error and then I hover here. Okay, you see, give you the proper declaration of statement expectation expected. Okay, 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 okay. Like even VS Code you help you to understand the error. Okay, semicolon here too. Okay, let's just save and check our result. Let's just reload. Okay, eligible. Okay, I didn't change the variable. Okay, let's just change the value of. Okay, let's just I add 16. Okay, let's just I add 16. Okay, let's just check reload. Okay, citizen is not eligible, less than 18, less than 18, age is less than 18. Okay, any doubt, any doubt until any doubt. Okay, any doubt, any doubt. Hope hope everything is clear. No. Okay, just let me see. Okay, okay, let's see what we have on our slide. Okay, okay, we just see voting. Okay, eligibility, we just see vote eligibility. Okay, so wait, 18 plus person plus here. Okay, this little bit decorated console. Okay, yeah. So let's see. Okay, let's write this one too. Let's write this one too. Okay, let's just write one too. Okay, what's written here? Okay, one second, one second. What's written here? It's checking loan approval. Is it checking loan approval? Okay, it's checking loan approval. Correct, correct, correct. if like less than 750. Okay, okay, if less than 750, or it's 680. Okay, it's created the score for the 680. If it's less than 680, loan denied. Okay, loan denied. It's less than 680, it's less than 680, like 679. Okay, okay, what its condition? It's logical condition. It's logical condition greater than equals to both condition when it's true. Okay, when both condition is true, both condition we create, we using only single condition. Okay, I'll show you. Sorry, I'll show you once again. Okay, I'll show you once again. I'll show you what is the syntax. What is the syntax? If else. Okay, what is the syntax? Simply here, if, only if, have the power to check the condition. And else, when else run, when the when if get failed, false, or unsatisfied. Okay, 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 both condition will true. Like example, Avinash, both condition, like what the both condition, whatever the condition is true, any condition in any circumstances, condition is true. If block will run, if block will run, and else will get ignored, and if the condition is false. Okay, if the condition is false, then else block will get execute, okay, 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 any doubt? We don't have two conditions, we have only single if, which is check the condition. Okay, 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 good. Let's good to go. Okay, we are getting example for the check. What is the example? What was the example? Check is loan eligibility. Eligibility. Okay. 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 Score. Let CIBIL score. CIBIL score. Okay. Let CIBIL score is, so CIBIL score is 700. 700. Okay. Or let's say 750 is ideal. Okay. If 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 and then opening and closing bracket. Okay. Opening and closing bracket. Enter. Okay, and condition C bill, C bills, C. Okay, sorry, I didn't write properly. C bill spelling, SIB. Okay, okay. C bill score, C bill score is greater than equals to, 680. It's a threshold for the bank. Let's see, it's HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC. Let's example for the HDFC. Okay, so console dot log, it's eligible, it's eligible, it's eligible, and if it's not fulfill the condition, it's not eligible, not eligible. Okay, not eligible. Correct. Let's see. Please ask questions if you have any doubt. Okay, reload. Okay, it's eligible. It's eligible. Okay, I'll just let me just record the answer. Okay, score is score is score is comma civil score, and score is, can I write variable before the string? Can I write the variable before the string in in console? Can I write like this? Can I write like this? Using or. Okay, you want example using or? I'll give you or I'll give you using or. Okay, okay, I'll give you example. Okay, don't worry. Okay, can I write like this? Is it valid statement? Is it valid? Is it valid syntax? Is it valid syntax? Yes, no, yes, no. Yes, no. Let's see. Is it valid or not? Let's see. Okay. Okay. It is eligible. Score is 750. Okay. And let's just fill the condition. Let's just fill the condition. I write 600. Okay. Right. 600. Okay. Just fill the condition. Filling the condition and reload. Okay. 600 not eligible. Okay. 600 not eligible. Okay. 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 You can see it's giving me in red. Okay. It's like update. It's like a update in what do you say, in browser. So else condition showing in red, else condition showing in red. Okay. I don't know how it's understanding, but yeah, it might be some update or anything. Okay. 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 Using or, let's find out any example using or. We have let me just see. Let me just say. Okay. Use. Okay. We see for the mm, what is it, for the voting. Okay. What we, let's just create for the driving. Okay. Let's just create for the driving. Let's create for the driving. The screen. Okay. Um, let's check eligible for drive. Okay. Okay. Let's check for eligible for the drive. Okay. Last example. If what we need age. Let age equals to should be okay. We created already age. Okay, yeah, we created here age. Okay, person age, person person age, person age, age equals to 18. It's 18. Okay, it's 18, and it should be let is have license. Is have license or not? True false. True false. I'll just add boolean. Okay. If condition, then opening closing curly bracket, then else opening closing curly bracket. Okay, this is a simple syntax. So we are writing condition here. So what would be the condition? What would be the condition? What would be the condition? Condition we write person age. First of all, person age. Person age should be greater than 18. Should be greater than 18 or greater than equals to 18. Okay, first one. And what we want? And and is have a license. Is have a license should be true. Okay, it's have a license should be true. Then it will gives us result true. And one of them condition is false. One of them the condition is false. It will gives us false. Okay, okay, okay. Yesterday we see the chart. Let me just open for you. Yesterday we just created simple chart. Where it is this one. Okay, this simple chart for and any condition, any of the condition is getting false, any of the condition getting false, any of the condition it will return false. Okay. Okay, it will show you false, it will show you false. Just let me false true. Okay, any of the condition is getting false. I already written, yeah, I already written this one. I don't need to write this one. False true, this one also I written. Okay. Okay. Okay, any of this condition in and any of the single condition is getting rejected or false, it will return false. And in or any of the condition should be true, then it will return true. In both it's false, then it will return false. Okay, similarly here too. Okay, let's just copy this one and paste inside the if condition. Okay, you can write this in this form too. Okay, you can just encapsulate this one too. Okay, just copy paste. Okay, 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 okay. But for as of now, for understanding, all right, in this form. Okay, then we can console, we can console, we can console, can drive, can drive, can drive, and else, here console can't drive. Have permission to drive. You can say permit to drive. Don't have. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just drive. Let's just go to your browser and reload. Okay. Permit to drive. Why it's it have the permission to drive? Because it's 18. Or just see if the user is 20 and the user don't have license. User don't have license. And then let's check what will be the output. What will be the output? What will be output? What will be output? On chat. On chat. What will be output? People, both condition have true. If the both condition have true, it will be run if statement. If the any one of the condition is false, any of the condition it return false. Okay, reload. Don't have permission. Okay, you can see. I'll just show you in single. You can see. You can see. Let result. I'll show you. Okay, let result equals to, and I just add this one. I just add this one inside this. Okay, what we return? This one. Okay, what we have written? This one. What it is? Okay, we have written this one, and then let's see what's inside the result. Okay, first let's see what's inside the result. Yes. Okay. Result. Okay. 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 Save. 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 And then reload. Okay. Okay. False. It return boolean. It's written boolean. It's written boolean. How to check is it boolean or not? How to check data type? How to check data type? Just write type of. Just write type of. Just write type of. It's showing a result. Error. Okay. Just write type of space. Okay. Type of space. Okay. Okay. Which type of data type? Yeah, we can see we seeing which type of data type we are using. Okay, it should be only boolean. It should be only boolean for the statement. That's why I'm showing you how it's working under the hood. Okay, 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 boolean. Okay, you can see boolean. It's boolean data type. It's boolean. Okay, boolean data type, and it's if you using this one logical operators, it's always return you boolean. It's always return you boolean. It's always return you boolean. Okay, 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 okay. Any doubt till now? Any doubt? Any doubt till now? Till now? Till now? Any doubt? Avinash, typecasting. Okay, we will see typecasting later. We will see typecasting later. Okay, typecasting, for those who don't know, typecasting is converting one type to another type. Okay, one data type to another data type. Okay, converting string to number, number to string. Okay, that is a typecasting. We will see later. Okay, in future classes, in future sessions. Okay, let's see what we have in our slide. Okay, we see this one. Temperature, simple. What we did, when temperature 28, we write or statement. We write or statement. Or statement state or statement क्या कहता है हमारा? Or statement कहता है कि दोनों में से कोई भी एक कंडीशन, one of the condition it gets satisfied, it will return true. It will return true. Temperature is greater than 30. Is temperature greater than 30? No. But temperature is less than 10? Yes. Okay, it's contradictory, but understand this properly. Understand this properly. Okay, if temperature is 28, this statement is true or false? This statement is false. Okay, this statement is false. It will return false. It will return false. And this statement is true. It will return true. It will return true. Then or judge, then okay, first of all this will run, then this will run, and then all statement will judge what should I return. Okay, 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 what's happening inside? First of all this statement run. First of all, okay, once again, first of all this statement will run. It will return false. It will return false. It will return false, this statement. then or gets or, and then this statement run and it will return true. This will return true. This will return true. Okay, I'm not able to write properly. TRUE. It will return true. It will return true, and then this statement will check again. Then this statement will get check again, and it will return or statement check. Is it any false statement condition is present? Yes, it's present. Then it will return false. It will return false. So what is the final? What is the final? What is the final? Final? What is the final for this if statement? It's false. Okay. Okay. Now any doubt till now? Any doubt? No, no. Okay, 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 okay. Need to repeat. Need to repeat. Okay, I'll repeating once. Okay, I'll repeating once how it's work. Okay, how it this work. Okay. First of all, JavaScript cursor, JavaScript compiler came here, and it will check is this condition satisfied or not. Okay, is this condition satisfied or not? It will check once here. Is this condition satisfied or not? Okay, then 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 it will get okay, it's not satisfied, it's not satisfied. Okay, then it will be false. It will return false. Correct. It will return false. Correct or not? It will return false. It will return false. Correct. It's false. Correct. Okay, then it will come here. It will came here. Okay, then what it's get? It's get comparison. It gets operator, conditional operator. Then it's put conditional operator as it is, because we have another statement. It will put conditional operator as it is. Then came here, and then it will see the expression. Okay, that will say okay, 10 less than 10 or not. It's get true. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true. Then what JavaScript do? What JavaScript do inside the compiler? Inside it will take this false. It will get this false and or and true. False or true. TRUE true. False or true. False or true. False or true. We see the chart. We see already one chart. The chart says if the or statement present and any of the false present inside the statement, it will both condition is, yeah, if the both condition is false, it will return false. Okay, just listen here. Just listen here. If the one of the statement is false, one of the statement is false, F denoted false or true denoted true. Okay, T denoted true. Okay, T denoted true. Okay, if the any condition is false, false or true. Okay, any condition is false or return true. Okay, or return true. And both condition are false. Both condition are false. It will return. It will return false. Okay, 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 okay. Both condition are false. False, false, false. False or false, false. Or condition need a single statement. Like we can say the or statement check is any condition returning true or not. Okay, okay, okay. If any condition is true, then it will return true. And or statement and statement check. If any condition is false, it will return false. Okay, 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 okay. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? We can see chart again. I'll show you that chart again. Okay. See this chart. See this chart. See this chart. See this chart. Okay. Any condition in and. Okay. True, true means true. And a single condition get false will return false. Okay. In single condition get false, will return false. Okay. 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 Single condition get false will return false. Okay. In or it on true, true, it's true. Okay, it false true, it's true, and it's false false, it's false. Okay, 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 okay. Let's just clear. Okay, I think now we don't have any doubts. Okay, okay. I think we don't have any doubts right now. Okay, okay. Let's just talk over next topic. Okay, if um what do you say, or even odd. Okay, it's just check modular of 2 and modular returns us 0, reminder 0 or 1. It's just return us the reminder. It will just return the reminder. Divided up 2, any number divided by 2, any number divided by 2, what will you get? What will you get? Reminder 1 or 0, reminder 1 or 0, like 101 divided by 2, 101 divided by 2, sorry, 100, 1002, sorry, 100, sorry, 101 divided by 2. What will I get result? What will I get result? 5.50.5. Okay. Yeah. 50.5. And in modular, I'll get 1. In modular, I'll get 1 because remainder is 1. Correct? 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 Let's just go and practice. You will get. Go and practice. You will get. Okay? 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 Okay. Let's do it here. Okay? Okay. Let's see nested if else. Let's see nested if else. What is a nested if else? Okay? What is a nested if else? Let's just, okay, syntax, simple syntax, simple syntax, simple syntax, condition. Okay, then inside that if we have another if else. Can you see? Inside of if we have another if else. Let me just change the color. Okay, you can see inside this if started from here and ended here. Can you see? Started from here, ended here, and inside that if we have another if else statement. We have another if else statement inside the if we have another if else statement. See clearly? Can you see clearly? Can you see clearly? Let's just check. Okay, okay. I'm just clearing drawing, and let's just check on code. Let's just check on code. Okay, okay. If statement, then nested if else statement. Okay, I'll just create new file. Nested if else. Okay, .js. Okay, just directly add here. Sorry, if nested. Sorry, nested if else statement. Okay, I just connected. And then close this one. Okay, syntax nested if else, nested if else, nested if else. Okay, basic if else and nested if else. Okay, syntax syntax if, then opening closing curly bracket. Okay, and then we write condition, 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 and inside that if else we can write another if else. We can write another if else. We can write another if else. Okay, else, 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 and if. You can only write if. If you wanted to write if, it's also a correct syntax. You can write multiple if inside the if. You can write multiple if inside the if, but it's getting complicated. It's getting complicated. Okay, you can see no error. You can see no error, no error throwing by the JavaScript. We didn't get any error in JavaScript. Okay, you can see. Okay, okay. If this condition gets satisfied, gets inside the if inside this block. Okay, if this condition gets satisfied, then gets inside this block. If this condition gets satisfied, get inside this block. If this condition gets satisfied, get inside this block. Okay, 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 okay. Sorry, just looking for nested. Okay. Anyone have any doubt? Okay. Okay, this is a nested if else. You can write fields here too. Okay, okay. The syntax. Anyone have any doubt in this syntax? Just ask. Anyone have any doubt in the syntax? Any question about the syntax? Just ask. No one. No one. No one. Let's just continue. Let's just continue with this. Okay. I'll just add true false. Should not be like that. We will get new one. Okay. create new one. Example. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Correct. Correct, Avinash. Example. Okay. If the condition is true, it will execute this block. It will get inside the true block. And then this condition is also true, then it gets inside this block. Okay. If it get false, if it get false, if it get false, if it get false, it will not execute this code. This code, it will execute this one. Okay. 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 Indentation. Can you see in the indentation? Proper indentation. Can you see the proper indentation? Can you see the proper indentation? Okay. 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 Indentation help you to understand. What if I write like that? What if I write like that? Okay. Did you get it? What's inside what? What inside what? Okay. You get it? Did you getting? Did you getting here? Like I writing like that too. If I write that like this. Okay. So indentation is more important. Okay. Indentation is more important. Okay. More important in development. More important in development. Okay. If you are following proper indentation, if you are following proper indentation, you will never get confused with your own code. Okay. Okay. Always properly follow indentation. Okay. Okay. Let's just write the code. Let's just write the code. Do we have example for the let's see, we have example on sheet, we have example on our slide. Okay. uh, is coupon valid or not? Okay. Is coupon valid or not? Like we are try to shop and we have the coupon validation, right? Right. Right. Like we have coupon but they have the minimum order value. Okay. Okay. Indentation is like indentation, simple. Indentation means this one, properly understandable, properly understandable way of writing the code. Okay. Like this block. Okay. Inside this block, this code is present. It's understanding properly. So that's why indentation is important. Okay. 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 VS Code also provide us the like a format document. Okay. If I write form, if I click on format document, like okay, I'll show you. If I do this one, do this one. Okay. If I whatever anything I do, like I please do this one or I do this one. Sorry. Okay. If I write kind of like this, okay, I just go here, format document. Okay. You can see JavaScript created, VS Code created formattation format. Okay. Correctly. Okay. 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 So let's get like this. Okay. Okay. This should be look perfect. Okay. So let's see example for is valid coupon or not. Is coupon is uh, yeah, valid coupon. Okay. We have situation that we have coupon code, we have coupon that is valid, we have coupon code, valid amount. Okay. Valid amount eligible is okay. How to create? Okay. We just create card value, card value, card value equals to, let's see, 1000. Okay. Card value 1000. Okay. And minimum card value should be like minimum card value should be 1500 for valid for the discount. Okay. For valid for the discount. And let is valid for discount, is valid for the discount. Let's see how to create cart value. Cart value, cart value should be greater than equals to minimum cart value. Okay. 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 It's not creating proper example. Let me just check once. I created complicated one. Okay. Order value greater than, sorry, order value. Okay. Let's see this one. Yeah, this one will make sense. Okay. This will make sense. Okay. Let's see just this one first. What we applied coupon, minimum need to be, and then okay. 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 Let's see. Let's see. We're creating properly. Okay. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? How do I create this one? How do I create this one? I can write this inside the card. I can directly write here too. Okay. Right here too. But as a developer, sometimes like most of the times we create a different variable. We create a different variable for the understanding. Because sometimes this condition get longer. Sometimes this condition get or and lot of things. So that's why try to create a separate variable. Okay, try to create a separate variable for the condition. For the condition, if the condition is more than two or three, then don't create it. Okay. ओके 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 सो यहाँ पर हम क्या देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पे हम क्या देख रहे हैं, इफ कंडीशन वी कैन सी I just write this directly. I can write this variable directly because we have the result of this condition inside this variable. Okay. If we are eligible, if we eligible. Okay. Okay. So first of all we need to check. Does our card value is okay. Sorry 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 Okay, if we check, we need to check is card value is greater than 1000. Okay, confusing or not? Okay. Total, it's checking total. Okay, and then open valid. Okay, it's checking the total first. Okay. Okay, let's see card value. It's checking the card value is greater than 1500 first. Okay. Okay, that's why it's checking card value. Just copy paste is discount as discount. Okay, then we again check, then again check. um, it's checking again if order value, else coupon is valid or not. Coupon is sorry. Okay, let's forget this one. Let's create new one. It's confusing us. Okay, just forget this one. We create new one for the mark result. Okay, we have example for the mark result. Okay. Okay, this one grading system. Okay, let's just create the grading system. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's just try run first. Okay, we have marks. Okay, we have marks. Then we will checking, is it 90% or not. Is 90%, grade A plus. If the 75%, grade A. It's a 60%, grade B. 40%, grade C. And the last final is fails. It fail. Okay, let's just create a statement for that. Let's just create a statement. Grading system. Okay, what is the statement? Marks. Okay, we need marks. Okay, if the marks. Okay, then if mark is 90% plus, then what should be a plus. If the marks is 75% plus, so greater than 9, greater than 75 and less than 89, and less than 89. Okay, it's a marks. Okay, greater than 75, sorry, greater than equals to 75, and and marks less than 89, then 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 B plus. Okay. Okay, and then third statement, marks greater than equals to 89, and marks less than 74, then B. Okay, and then last, marks is greater than equals to 45, and marks less than less than less than 59, Okay, let's create the 60. Let's create the 60 and at one hand, and less than 60, less than 60, less than 75, less than 90. Okay, okay, it's clear, it's correct, it's correct. Then give it C, give it C, and last one, last one is fail. Last one is fail. Correct, correct, correct. Let's just create this example, quick example. Okay, okay. Any doubt? Any doubt till now? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, let's see. Okay, what we need? Marks, student mark. Okay, let's see. Student got 83. Okay, got 83. Okay, let's create a if statement. Okay, let's create first if statement. Okay, okay. Inside the condition, what we are checking? Student marks greater than student marks is greater than equals to 90 or not. Okay, we checking. Then if it's 19, if it's 90, if it's 90, if it's 90, then first of all we check the student what they get, the student have marks or not. Is it undefined or not? Okay, is it undefined or not? Let's check. Is it undefined or not? It's a good practice to check. Is it undefined or not? If let's check first. If marks is present or not. Why I'm checking? Is it undefined? Undefined equals to false. Undefined returns the false. Undefined return the false for the statement. Okay, okay. It's behave. It's work like that. Okay, it's work like that. Like console. Okay, let's just inside. Write the inside. Console.log. Console.log marks. Oh, sorry, student marks. Okay. I just initialize. Okay. What will we get? What will we get? What will we get? What will we get? Any guesses? What will we get? Any guesses? Any guesses? What will we get? Refresh, refresh, refresh. Did we get anything? Did we get anything? Because it's inside. If I write else here, console.log, console.log. Still I'm printing this one. Okay, but along with this, I'll write string inside inside if inside if. Okay. Similarly, inside else. Okay. Okay. Let's just see. Will you able to see this one? Okay. Okay. Will you able to see this one? I just write this one and I just write this one. Okay. 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 Just let's see screen. Then I reload. Okay. Inside is undefined. Inside is undefined. Undefined also treated as a false. Undefined treated as a false. So just always check. Just always check. Is it undefined or not? Okay. Let student mark equals to 85. Okay. Okay. Can't write it because it's creating again. Okay. 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 Now, 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 let's just check this once. Let reload. Okay. Inside is 85. Inside is 85. Okay. First of all, we checking. First, we checking is our marks present or not. Okay. Then inside this, or if not present, marks is not present, then we write console dot log marks not present. Okay. We check is marks present or not. Checking is marks present or not. Present or not. Okay. It should be not defined. Then if then if 90%, if student marks is is greater than 90, 80 it is greater than equals to 90, then it return console dot log. What will be the return? plus, a plus, a plus. Okay, else, if, else, if. Okay, it's a new concept. If else if. Okay, okay, okay. It's a new concept. I need to give it here. Okay, else if, else if, else if, else if. What is else if? What is else if? Okay, inside else you can write if too. Okay, okay. I'll show you the syntax. Just give me this one. Okay, okay, okay. If statement, inside if statement you can write if statement, right? You can write if statement. Okay, you can write if statement. Okay, I just show you before. Similarly, inside else statement you can also write the if statement, but not like that. But not like that. We have slightly difference. You just need to write here if. After the else you just need to write this here. Okay, just simple space and then if condition, like it's, I'll just make it false, just make it false, and then it is true. Okay, like even you added else statement, but inside this else if statement you also checking condition. Not understanding, confusion. Okay, lot of confusion. Okay, we have 10 minutes and I'll clear your confusion, totally clear your confusion. Okay, we will see this example later. Okay, let's just clear the confusion. What we have if we have if and opening and closing bracket. What this one do? What this one do? What this do? It's just checking condition. It's just checking condition. Inside if is condition. Okay, simple one. Condition. Okay, it's a condition. Okay, if it's satisfied, then we'll run this one. Then we'll run this one. Correct. We have if. Okay, this one is first. Okay, this first one. Okay, I'll just create first. Okay, first one. Second one, what we have? Second type. Second type. Second type. Okay, second, what we have? We have just create me nested. Okay, to help us. Second, if we have if, along with if we have else too. Okay, we have else too. Along with if we have else too. Okay, we have else too. Okay, okay, okay. If else. Okay, if else. Okay, correct. Anyone any doubt? Anyone have any doubt here? Okay, okay. Second, third one. What we have? Third one we have third, third. Simple. Third one. We have if statement. We have if statement. Along with if we have condition. Okay, along with if we also have else. Okay, we also have else. Okay, it's similar to the second one, similar to, but what update we have here? We can add if here. Okay, we can add if here. Okay, inside this we can add another if else. Okay, let me copy this first. Okay, we can add new if else. Okay, just format. Okay, inside this we can write another if else. Okay, first if else. Okay, 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 this one is okay, 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 okay. But what if I want to write, if I want to, when in the if condition I'm checking this one. Okay, and the else condition, inside this else condition also I wanted to check this one. Third one. Okay, third one. What's the confusion? Third one. What is the confusion in third one? Okay, if I condition this one, if I checking, if okay, I'll show you a proper example. Let age. Okay, let age 18. 18. Okay. If age greater than 18. If the age is greater than 18 or greater than equals to 18, it will run. Then inside this, I'm checking is license. Let is is have license or not, license or not. Okay, it's true, the person have license too. Okay, it's 18, he or you it true. Okay, if 18 and also have the license, so I'm checking here it's have the license or not. Okay, Okay, just copy. Let me copy this one. Semicolon, semicolon, and this one license. Okay, this one license. This one license. Okay, if user is 18 plus, okay, this 18 plus, okay, it has license or not? Yes. If yes, if else, we console dot log valid for drive. Okay, eligible for or valid for drive, or console dot log not eligible or don't have license, don't have license. ठीक है, don't have license, or console dot log, what we can write here, not eligible age. Okay, any confusion here, any confusion in this example, anyone, any confusion here, anyone have any confusion here? No, 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 it's just checking age, checking age. If age is, if age is 17, if age is 17, it will print this one. Okay, if the age is 18, it's get inside this one. Okay, then he will check, it will check, javascript will check is license true or false. If it's like true, it will run this one. Okay, it's false, it's false. If it's false, if it's false, okay, right one, this one. Okay, 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 okay. Let's see another example for the marriage. Let's see another example for the marriage. Okay, what we have for the marriage, we have first gender, let first age. Okay, we need age. Okay, we need age. Okay, if the age is 18, let's see, just create 18, and we need gender, let gender. Okay, gender male, female. Okay, let's see male. Okay, okay, okay. if 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 first of all, I need to check age, age age greater than equals to 18. Okay, okay, no. Okay, let's write the, okay, for the marriage, for the marriage in India, male should be greater than 21. Okay, and female should be greater than 18. Correct, correct, correct. No, 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 no. Yes, no, yes, no. Okay, okay. So write this one. If what we do, first of all we check, first of all we check age, first of all we check gender, first of all we check gender. Okay, okay, let's check a gender equals to, equals to, equals to male. If the gender is equals to male, and then check, then check if gender is male. Okay, if the gender is male, if the gender is not a male, then check, check, what will check. Okay, let's check first one. Okay, gender is male. If the gender is male, then check if age. Okay, if age greater than equals to 18, greater than equals to 18, greater than equals to 18, then console dot log eligible, eligible for marriage. Okay, okay, not a male. Greater than 18, we need 21. We need 21. Some male. Okay, for that, or else, else, not eligible, not eligible, not eligible. Correct, not eligible, not eligible. Understand this one, understand this one, understand. Any confusion here? Perfectly understandable, perfectly understandable. Correct, correct, perfectly understandable. Okay, okay, okay. Else, else, we are writing else. But we need to check here, we need to check here if the gender is male, not a male. If the gender is not a male, so we need to check, is it female or not. If someone write here, abc, someone right here ABC. How do we know it's male or not? How do we check? How do we check? It's get it's get failed. It's get failed. So can we assume it's a not a male, so it's a female? No, we can't assume. We can't assume. So we need to check here too. We need to check here too. That's why we have another statement called if nested if else. We have another statement called nested if else. Then we check here, is gender female or not? Is gender female or not? Okay, female or not? Okay, 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 okay. And after that, if we have if inside it is we have if, we can write else here too. Okay, else. I know it's little bit confusing, little bit confusing. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just create here, one example. Syntax: if, then I write else, then I write, sorry, then I write else. Okay, then I write else. Inside this if, I write else. After that I can write if again. After that, write if, I can write if again. Okay, for that if, for this if, for this if, we need else, we need else, we need else. So that's why I write, that's why, one second, that's why I write else again. That's why I write else again. I can write if here too. I can write, but I don't need, so I just stop here. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? Inside that if, I have, outside that if I have else, and inside that else I have if, and for this if, for this if I have else. Okay, 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 okay. I'll show you in code. I'll show you. Just focus on code, you will get understand. Focus on code, you will get understand. Focus on code, you will get understand. Okay, okay. If this else check if statement, if it's get rejected or if it gets fail, then it's run fails. Not gender is, gender is not female or male, male or female. Okay, let's see, male or female, same thing. Female. Okay, 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 okay. Let's just write this one only. Let's just write this one only. Okay, let's just run this one only. Okay, for the male and female only. Okay, male and female only. Okay, okay. Just go for that. Okay, else we have checked the age. We will check the age. If else, we will check the age. Is it 18 plus or not? Okay, it's not. Okay, okay. Or gender. Let's run this one. Let's just run. Let's run this one. Reload. Gender is not male or female. Why gender is not male or female? Let's see. Let's see what we return here. Let's see what we return. Gender. Oh, okay. We return ABC. ABC. Let's try with the female. Let's try with the female. Okay. We will write another console one here. Gender as female. Gender is female. Similarly, there is female, and here similarly there is male. There is male. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Refresh. Okay. Gender is female and eligible for the marriage. Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt? People, any doubt? Is that clear? Any doubt? Okay. 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 Let's see. Okay, this one we didn't create it properly. Small it and greatest. I'll show you. Okay. What we see, what we learn as of now. If else, we learn if else, we learn if else, we learn if else. Simple one step decision. Simple. Okay. Then multi step decision. Nested if else, and then we use logic and on or. We didn't use not. It's just toggling. It's just toggling. We will see later. It's just toggling. Okay. 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 Let me just clear. Any doubt, just ask. Any doubt, anyone, any doubt, just ask. Okay. Okay. This is a homework. I'll give you later. That check number is positive or negative, leap year. Okay. Or grading system. Okay. Grading system is like that. This one, grading system. Okay. Grading system. Okay. 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 I'll share you this one on YouTube. Just join channel to get the update about the WhatsApp. Okay. 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 Anyone have any doubts?